Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart lighting with a review of two exciting products from Govee: the Floor Lamp Pro and the Floor Lamp 2. These aren't your ordinary lamps, so stick around to find out why they might just be the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Govee has carved out a niche in the smart lighting market, and their new floor lamps continue to push boundaries. Both models feature RGBICWW LED technology, which means they can display over 16 million colors, including various shades of white. This versatility allows for stunning lighting effects that can truly transform your living space. Let's start with the design. Both lamps sport a modern, minimalist look with an aluminum frame and a base that complements their sleek appearance. The Floor Lamp Pro takes it up a notch with a fabric-covered base and an integrated Bluetooth speaker, which adds both style and functionality. On the other hand, the Floor Lamp 2 opts for a glossy plastic base that also lights up, albeit without the speaker. In terms of performance, these lamps deliver. The Floor Lamp Pro is the brighter of the two, offering 2,100 lumens compared to the Floor Lamp 2's 1,725 lumens. This difference translates into a more vibrant and intense lighting experience with the Pro model. Perfect for larger rooms or spaces where you want a standout feature. One of the standout features of Govee's smart lighting products is their app control. Both lamps can be controlled via the Govee app, which allows you to not only adjust brightness and color but also choose from a wide array of preset scenes. Whether you're looking for a cozy evening ambiance or a lively party atmosphere, the app has you covered with over 80 scene modes to choose from. For those invested in smart home ecosystems, these lamps integrate seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. The Floor Lamp 2 even supports Matter right out of the box, making it future-proof for upcoming smart home standards. This integration allows for voice control and automation, letting you set schedules or trigger lighting changes with just your voice. Setting up these lamps is straightforward, whether you prefer using the app, the included remote, or voice commands. Govee has streamlined the process to ensure that even tech novices can get up and running quickly. The intuitive controls and comprehensive user manual make customization a breeze, whether you're adjusting lighting colors or syncing with your favorite music playlists. So, should you buy a Govee floor lamp? If you're looking to elevate your home's ambiance with high-quality smart lighting that's both functional and stylish, absolutely. Whether you opt for the Floor Lamp Pro with its extra brightness and speaker, or the Floor Lamp 2 for its solid performance and affordability, you can't go wrong with Govee's latest offerings. That wraps up our review of the Govee Floor Lamp Pro and Floor Lamp 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments which smart home products you'd like to see reviewed next. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.